Hello students. So now we are with the most important perfect form verbs. Don't start writing anything. First listen to me. The very important part, that how to solve this perfect form from the question bank, that we are going to discuss, and also the answers of each and every sentence of your question bank of perfect form. And then I have just jotted down and classified all the verbs from the question bank, from the perfect form exercise. So the meanings are very necessary over here in English, and also the perfect form with its helping verb is necessary. If you haven't watched the previous video about the concept about perfect form, please go and watch it and then come back to this video. So machen, the perfect form of machen is gemacht. Gemacht. The perfect form of machen is gemacht. The perfect form of mitnehmen is mitgenommen. Spelling, be very particular of copying properly. Next, it's fotografieren. Fotografiert. I'm going to tell you the meanings once I'm done with writing. Fotografiert. Trunken. This is trinken. The perfect form is getrunken. Bekommen remains bekommen. Einladen is eingeladen. Dekorieren is dekoriert. Singen is gesungen. Danken is gedankt. Spielen is gespielt. Mitbringen is mitgebracht. Gratulieren is gratuliert. Arbeiten is gearbeitet. Lesen is gelesen. Hören is gehört. Sammel is gesamt. Then verbringen is verbracht. Next, treffen is getroffen. Next is anrufen. It's angerufen. Angerufen. Anfangen is angefangen. Next is studieren is studiert. Helfen is geholfen. Verstehen is verstanden. Sehen is gesehen. Next, haben is gehabt. Next, beenden is beendet. Next, kosten is gekostet. Geben is gegeben. Kaufen is gekauft. Besuchen is besucht. So here I have just given you the perfect form of all the verbs one at a time so that you will be able to write it down. Now, we are going to see the meanings. So, the Machen meaning, please mention if possible over here with pencil. Machen is to make, oblique to do. So, when you say I am making pizza, it means machen. I am doing yoga, that time also machen. Mitnehmen, to take along with. When you take along with something, like I'm taking along with me maybe a bag, okay? Mitnehmen, to take along with. Fotografieren is to take photo. Trinken is to drink. Bekommen is to get. G-E-T. It has no relation with the common word. Einladen is to invite. Dekorieren is to decorate. Singen is to sing. Danken is to thank. Spielen is to play. Mitbringen is to bring along with. Yeah? So you're bringing something along with you. Gratulieren is to congratulate. Arbeiten is to work. Lesen is to read. Hören is to hear. Sammel is to collect. Verbringen is to spend time. Then treffen is to meet. M-E-E-T. Anrufen is to call on phone. Anfangen is to begin or to start. Studieren is to study. Helfen is to help. Verstehen is to understand. Sehen is to see. Haben is to have. Beenden is to end. Next, kosten is to cost. This particular thing costs me 25 rupees. That cost. Geben is to give. Kaufen is to buy. And besuchen is to visit. Yeah. So all these meanings, listen it twice, write in your book, and then go through the perfect form also once again. Gemacht, genommen. I want you to learn this perfect form by heart. There is no trick. Means there are few explanations which I have already told you in the previous video, like why it is having this particular ending. But then I always advise you, try to learn this perfect form by heart. Yeah. And these are the verbs which are going to come in the exam. So learn it by heart. Machen, gemacht. Twice and thrice if you try to memorize it, it will be done. Now just write the helping verb. What helping verb will this verb have? Yeah, this perfect form have. Machen will have haben. Haben. Machen, gemacht, and the helping verb will be haben. Mitnehmen, mitgenommen, helping verb haben. So all these verbs which I already told you, this all verbs will have helping verb haben. Now there are few verbs which will have helping verb sein. Okay, these verbs will have helping verb sein. The perfect form of this verb is fahren is gefahren, werden is geworden, gehen is gegangen, bleiben is geblieben, li. Here you have to be careful. Yeah. Kommen, gekommen, sein, gewesen, zurückfahren, zurück, gefahren. And all these verbs will have, these are verbs, these are perfect form. They will have the helping verb sein. They will have the helping verb sein. So these are the important verbs Now let's go to the question bank and solve it one at a time. Now,